Next topic we'll learn about uh, combining multiple tables into one single table. Power Query editor has a very uh, important feature, merging queries and appending queries. So let us learn about merging and appending queries. So first we'll learn about appending queries. Okay. So the ability to combine queries is powerful in Power BI because it allows you to append or merge different tables or queries together. You can combine the tables into uh, different ways, merging and appending. Okay, here let us see about appending queries first. Here in this scenario, in this example, we have three different year-wise sales for 2015, 2016, and 2017 in three different tables. Okay, so here we want to learn about appending these three tables into one table as sales. Okay, so when you append queries, what will it will happen when you append queries? You will be adding these rows of data from one table to another table. Okay, merging them into new. Okay, example, you could have two tables, one with 300 rows and another with 100 rows. When you append queries, you will end up with 400 rows. Okay, so it will add up to that new appended table. Okay, so how to do that? So let us learn about this appending queries. Okay, select append queries. Okay, okay, and select append queries as new. We'll be appending these three tables into a new sales table. All right. Okay, so select append queries. Okay, select three or more tables because we want to append three different tables into one. So select 2015 is already there. Select 2016, double click and add it up into tables to be appended. Okay, sales 2017 and click OK. So what it is that simple, what it does, okay, it add up all those three tables into one, and you get to see one combined sales table. So you can just rename this table as sales. Okay, and it is that simple. All right, you can see here to just to ensure that all the data are already available. You see this 15, 16, 15, okay, 15, 16, 17. That means all those three year-wise sales table has been appended into one as a whole complete sales table. So that's the example of how to append queries, okay, into one table. All right.